the pandemic again is this super unique opportunity to rethink things. So I want to come back to you saying you're opening a new restaurant. I get that, and I get the fact that you're making a point that people want to go out and socialize and enjoy each other's company. Do you think there's a different business model for restaurants in the future? Like I'm thinking of these ghost kitchens or common shared we all appreciate the capital cost of opening a restaurant no more than you if you're opening one now. Could we not do these things in a different way? Like, is this an opportunity to rethink, for example, the restaurant business model?
That's an interesting question. We actually have 3 ghosts going at the same time right now.
Okay.
We have a ghost for chicken, Mother Cluckers. We have a ghost for burgers, Patty Shack. And we have a ghost for pizza, which is called Serious Pizza. And all of those are subsets of our existing restaurants. So your comment about ghosting is a big thing. And I've heard of people ghosting outside in. So in other words, they don't own a piece of the restaurant, but they are now directing. They're doing the work to bring people into a given kitchen and then taking a slice. So not just skip the dishes, not Uber Eats, that sort of thing, but people actually setting up to become the middleman, working on the marketing and the online tools that are needed to get a ghost kitchen running. And as long as the order comes in and the food goes out, it's a business.
Yeah.
So that's the change. Now, going back to the changes that you might see in the business world, the restaurant world, I happen to think, and this is where we're headed, is that providing some form of entertainment. So a greater platform for someone doing spoken word, poetry, a book reading, a couple of politicians on opposite sides of an issue coming out and going to a restaurant and having a conversation. And the early feedback is, well, yeah, I'd like that. Then the other is, well, what would happen if you did a night called the Bridgerton night? And if you're familiar with the show called Bridgerton, let the women dress up in the Cinderella dresses and let the guys wear top hats and come on out and free pizza and beer or whatever it is. But the idea is providing additional reasons to get out and engage, because that's what people have been missing. Not just a chance to eat, but it's a chance to be entertained and engage.
Yeah.
So that's kind of the direction we're going in. Of course, that's a secret. I just shared it on social media.
That's that marketing thing you were talking about.